today is Shenseea birthday. Yeah, and Romeich take the time out for, just cheer up Shenseea and make sure she happy on her birthday. Yeah, so you don't know Romeich, him say him love the fuckery and a real thing, so him write it there in a caption there. Yeah, and him say happy birthday, Shenseea. Them can't and will never stop our happiness and our mission to fulfill our dreams. Love you. Beer kiss face. Yeah man, see him admit say yes, me love the fuckery. Yeah, so look here where
post my picture, Video me a post. Happy birthday, Sheng.
Thank you, Romeich.
Happy birthday, Shenseea.
Thank you, Romeich.
Happy birthday, Shenseea.
Thank you, Romeich.
You know I love you.
Yes, Romeich.
You know you're my best friend.
Yes, Romeich.
You know you're my artist. And you know.
So good for know say yo, Romeich have him artist and him can put a smile on her face, same way him can make she feel good, and enough manager there and them now look out for them artists them way there. So we're happy for see what go on and the camp grow, you see me? Romeich go on take care of them artists them, and yeah, we love that. So I can see what go on here.
Post my picture,
Yeah man, so you see Romeich give her the blinky eye. What that mean at the end I don't know any people. Wanna comment below and tell me your thoughts. But yeah man, we know about Shenseea and Romeich, so it's all good, it's all well. Yeah. War John or Romeich look like a beer trouble him give Shenseea when him ready do. Cause Shenseea look fed up man, like she can't bother. Yeah, but she smile though when she hear the love you. Yeah. Anyway people, just facts. And I just facts. I'm out.